All right, everyone. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, let's discuss very briefly what is the format that you must follow in your IELTS writing task 2, which is also called your IELTS essay. Now, this IELTS essay is same for both IELTS academic and general students. So, first of all, the thing is that you should note down this thing, these key points before doing anything else. Open your register with you or just take the screenshots and copy it down later on your notebook. So first of all, task 2 format. First in there should be at least 4 paragraphs, and the first paragraph should be the introduction, last one is a conclusion, and in between introduction and conclusion there are 2 paragraphs minimum, body paragraph number 1, body paragraph number 2, right? Now let's begin with introduction. Introduction. First of all, how much time do you have to attempt task 2? You have 40 minutes for IELTS writing task 2, right? The total duration of your test is 60 minutes and task 2 duration is only 40 minutes. So in 40 minutes, you have to split your work. Note it down how you will split your time. First 5 minutes for planning and brainstorming, planning and understanding the question, right? Next 30 minutes for writing, and then last 5 minutes for rechecking. This is the principle, this is the rule that you must follow if you want to get 6+ band, right? Next thing, well, words requirement is 250 minimum, but your target should be 280. Hence, you will end up writing between 250 and 280 words. This is the second thing. You can also note it down. All right, so these were the basic requirements. Now let's come to the point. This is the format of the writing task 2. You can see introduction. Mateen and Jawad, both of you, can you see the introduction part? A, B, C, D?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Now, introduction. First, there should be 4 key elements that you must have to mention in your introduction, right? First is the background statement. Second, paraphrasing. Third, your opinion or stance. And fourth, what your essay will discuss. Now, let me tell you something. What is the meaning of background statement? Background statement means any statement related to the topic, but should not be the exact topic, right? For example, if you are talking about the online classes, then online classes basically it is about the education. So if you write about the education, then it will be kind of a background statement. And if you talk about the online classes exactly, then that will be the main question, right? Now you will understand it better when I will show you the sample answer after 1 minute. Okay. Now just note it down. What is the meaning of these terms? You understand background statement. Second is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means writing the question in your own words is called paraphrasing. Nice and simple. Okay. Third, your opinion. If they have asked your opinion in the question, then you must have to mention your opinion in just one sentence, right? In my opinion, comma, and so on. That's it. Fourth is what this essay will discuss. Means you have to tell the reader that these are the things that I'm gonna discuss in the subsequent paragraphs, right? Kaise, if your essay is related to advantages and disadvantages, then you will mention, however, this essay will discuss both advantages and disadvantages in detail, right? Or if the question is discuss both sides and give your opinion, then you will say, however, first of all, you will mention, in my opinion, comma, I think that this is this, full stop. Then the fourth part, however, comma, this essay will discuss both point of views in detail, right? Uh, I know I'm speaking too fast, but I hope you are understanding what I'm saying, right? Jawad, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
All right, done. Next is your body paragraph. This is the format of your body paragraph. You can see ABCD, topic sentence, supporting sentences, example, and then closing sentence. First is the topic sentence. Topic sentence means a sentence in which you will introduce what you are going to discuss in the body paragraph, right? This is the sentence in which you mention your central idea. Done? Then B, supporting sentences. Supporting sentences also means the explanation of your central idea. Right? Next, C, example. When you have discussed your central idea, obviously you have to prove it, right? Then, to prove it, you will have to provide an evidence in the form of an example that could be an observation or the example related to your own personal experience or something, right? But there must be an example. And finally, the last sentence, which is called closing sentence. It is very, very important. In this sentence, you link back the discussion with your topic sentence. Done?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is the format for the body paragraph. You will have to follow this in all the body paragraphs you will write. Okay? And finally, you have to write the conclusion. And this is how you write the conclusion. First of all, you will start like this. In conclusion, comma. This essay has discussed this. Now, what you will write? This essay has discussed what this essay has discussed. You will mention the central ideas which you discussed in body paragraph number 1 and 2. Right? Full stop. And the next one or two sentences will be related to your opinion, your recommendation, your suggestion, or at the end you will mention a general statement and you will close the essay. Right? This is the strategy. This is the format. This is what you need in order to get 6+ band in IELTS writing task 2. Right? Any question related to this format?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I hope it is crystal clear. And one more thing, this is a recorded lecture. You can watch it later on whenever you want to, and it is very, very important. Okay, so now I will discuss an example, a practical sample answer with you in which I will compare this format with the example, right? So that you will understand it in a better way. Okay, we will start after 1 minute, and I'm going to end this video. That will be discussed in the part 2.